Hey guys, Rob Sobek here with Dawn's Appliances. The question is how to power cycle an appliance, but the first question would be, why would you power cycle an appliance? Generally, when someone calls in for service, they're having an electronic issue of some kind, whether it be with a wall oven, a range, a dishwasher, a refrigerator, or maybe it's an electrical issue and they don't even know. Why you want to power cycle is to reset the computer within the appliance. Every appliance in every price range and every segment has a computer of some kind. So what you're going to want to do is, if it's an appliance that you can pull out or that you have hand access to the outlet, you're going to want to unplug that unit for 5 minutes at least to get all the residual power out of the unit and out of the wire. Plug it back in. That'll hard reset the appliance. If it's something like this and it's an 800-pound range and you're not feeling strong, go to your breaker panel, shut off your circuit breaker, same thing. 5 minutes, get all the power out of the line and out of the appliance, turn it back on. It's not an end-all be-all, but it's definitely the first step to finding out how to fix the appliance.